In this video, we're going to learn break-even analysis. If you see the function Cx, it'll be called the cost function. Small px will be the price function. And now say the first question is find the revenue function. It'll be denoted by Rx. The revenue is the number of units x times price function. So you take this function and multiply it with x. You get 7x minus x squared. This here is your revenue function. Now say the next question is find the profit function. So it will be denoted by a capital P of x. And the formula for the profit function will be the revenue function minus the cost function. So this function minus this function. So let's do this. So 7x minus x squared minus x minus 6. We do the minus because the minus distributes to both. Now just that minus x squared minus 6x minus 6. This is your profit function plus 6x, right? 7x minus x. This is your profit function. Okay, so this is how you get the revenue function, and this is how you get profit function. Okay, let's do a bit more. Okay, the next question now is find break-even points. What does that mean by break-even points? Find break-even points. Break-even points is where your revenue is equal to cost, or the profit function is equal to 0. So we'll do it by this way. The revenue was 7x minus x squared should be equal to x plus 6. So you make them both equal to each other, get everything on one side. You actually get your profit function back and make that equal to 0. So they both really mean the same thing. And then you have to solve for this. So you may get two values of x. Now this is just after solving this. So you get two values of x. Say something like 1 and 3. This is not the correct answer. You'll have to solve this to get two values of x. And if you graph this, if you graph the revenue function, which is this one, it should look something like this. Okay, this is your revenue function. And if you graph the cost function, it should look something like that. X plus 6. So I'm assuming you know how to draw the graphs. I must have done this before. So the break-even points are the points where revenue equals cost. These are the points break-even. This is your cost and this is your revenue. Now when your revenue is bigger than your cost, right, you see this region, the revenue is bigger than the cost. It means in this region you will be making profit. Okay, so if the question is from what point to what point you'll be making a profit, it means from the point 1 to 3. Now this x could be in terms of hundreds, so you can say from 100 to 300 products, your company will be making a profit. Everywhere else, this region as well as this region, considered loss. Okay, so what you have to do is make the revenue equal to cost, get everything on one side, make it equal to 0 and solve for x. These x values are just an example, it's not a solution to that. Whatever x values you get, those points are the break-even points. Then what you have to do is put this in any one of them. So for example, if you put 1 in here, you get 7. 3 in here, you get 9. So for 1, the point should be 7. For 3, the point should be 9. That's how you can get the graph as well. This is how you find the break-even points. Any questions, you can type in below.